Okay guys, in today's tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to apply slab edge to the floor. And so the first thing we need to do is to create a floor. Go to architecture and then floor. Just gonna use the rectangle one. And okay. So we have the floor here. But we need to apply the slab edge, which is under the floor tab. This down arrow, and you will see floor slab edge. So if you want to make it make a curve, create a curve, you can use this tool, and then you can also choose the profile that you want. So for this one, I can quickly show you how to create a profile for this one. So go to New and Family, type profile. No, not this one. Profile, right there. Okay, next we need to create the profile. So let's do maybe 6 inches, 6 inches. Do something like that and then load it into project 1. Okay, now we have the profile here. Just need to go to edit type and then change it to family 3. So that's the one we just created. And click OK. And go to 3D. You can snap on this edge and apply the slab edge to the floor now. So let's just move it down a little bit. Go to 3D. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So that could be our curve.